I'm Josh with Skid Pro. Today we're going to take a look at our Planetary Drive auger. Earth auger is super popular attachment. Farmers, contractors, we sell a lot of these units. Like anything Skid Pro, we feel we got an edge in the industry. You can put us on the top shelf when it comes to quality. The Auger Drive is no different. The first key, as we see it on the drive, is power. It's got to have torque. It's got to have the right design. That's why we insist on a planetary gear drive auger. So what does planetary mean? Simple enough, it's direct drive hydraulic. There's no chain and sprocket. It goes right from the motor through a set of planetary gears, turns down the RPMs, and skyrockets the torque. That begs the question, what else is out there in the industry? Well, there's three main designs. The planetary that we've touched on, the chain and sprocket, which is the drive of yesteryear, and then direct drive. So the chain and sprocket, I don't have to do a lot of explaining on that. Maintenance, chain stretch, sprocket wear, downtime, cost. Not only that, chain drives spin very fast, but they have very low torque. That's always the trade-off. If we increase our speed, we reduce our torque. And at the end of the day, when you're punching holes in the ground in tough baked clay, rocky conditions, it is all about torque. Chain and sprocket drive, you'll save a few $100s, but you will put that money back into it easily down the road in maintenance and upkeep. Bad idea as a whole. The other drive that some of the competition have is direct drive. Now, direct drive is definitely better than chain and sprocket, but when it comes down to it, when you're not running through a gearing system, you're not dropping down your RPMs and you're not getting the torque. So definitely better than a chain and sprocket, but you're leaving a lot of torque on the table. At the end of the day, when you're punching holes, ground engaging tools, our trenchers, our augers, planetary drive, high torque, and that's where you're going to see your best productivity and longevity in the equipment. This unit on 20 gallons a minute will produce over 3,000 foot-pounds of torque. That is incredible out of an auger drive. We're talking 36-inch bits, 4 feet in the ground in a matter of a couple of minutes. Just amazing what this drive can do. Another benefit of the planetary gear auger is longevity and warranty. We're able to offer a 4-year warranty on this drive because that planetary gearing is so strong and so efficient. It's just a fail-safe way to create an auger drive. When it comes to the other design functions outside of the drive, it's really pretty simple. Relatively standard heavy-duty quick-attach plate. We've got the cradle in back here. That cradle helps support the auger when we're driving with the skid loader back and forth when we're not drilling holes. Also helps for trailering. We've got a double knuckle pivot design. That's key because obviously you want to drill straight holes. If you're on an incline, you still want your hole to be perfectly straight. So this unit is plumb side to side and back and forth. So you're guaranteed, no matter what slope you're on, leaning left or right, the quick attach plate and the double pivot will always hang plumb and drill you straight holes. Another area that Skid Pro is very different than most of the competition is bit design. We run heavy duty bits. That means we've got a cast cutting head, heavy duty flighting, and a heavy duty auger core. The biggest difference though is if you look at the cutting head. Out in the industry, you'll notice 90% of the bits or more have bolt-on teeth. They simply run the flighting, punch holes in the flighting, bolt in their teeth. We have a much more rugged and durable design. The whole cutting interface is cast, heavy-duty cast. And then we run hammer-in teeth. So the teeth are still replaceable and removable. It's going to be more durable. You're probably looking at close to twice the life out of a standard duty bit. You have many more different types of teeth to choose from. And the actual teeth, instead of running all along a line as they do on the bolt-on teeth, we're able to put those teeth at more aggressive configurations. So you're actually going to have a much more aggressive dig on the auger bit itself. Additionally, we have many options on extensions. A fixed 24-inch is definitely the most popular. We have 24, 36, all the way up to 72-inch extensions. The auger bit you see here is our standard length. That's a 4-foot length. The bigger auger bits, of course, you can follow the auger drive a little bit down in the hole, and you can get deeper holes if you need. Another small detail but very convenient is the oversized step on the quick attach frame. If you have any questions about this or any other Skid Pro product, call the Product Gurus at 877-378-4642 or visit us online at www.skidpro.com.